real beauty is whatever you have. You may have t-shirts, you may have jeans, whatever you have. See, I do not know the girls item, so I cannot say more. I know only this much. So what I am saying to you, whatever you have in your cupboard, when you are going to dress up, when you are going to leave for somewhere, or when you are getting ready for anything, just open your cupboard. Just open your cupboard and start feeling. One dress will appeal you, one dress will invite you, one dress will say to you, please wear me. And if you wear the dress which has invited you, which has called you, which has provoked you, you would look the fantastic, no doubt about it. I am giving you assurance. Right, friends? So do not make a mindset. Never ever make a mindset that I have to wear this color, I have to wear this dress. No. Just before going to an occasion, just open your cupboard. Whatever you have. You have ornaments, you have cosmetics, you have lipstick, many things are there. And something must call you, and anything that calls you that is happening naturally, and it will make you naturally beautiful. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, इस बात को याद रखिएगा. और दिस wonderful. Same process will be applied. It is also important. Same process will be applied when you are going to take a decision, when you are going to decide something. You go to a mall, you go to your favorite mall, and you want to buy something, that anything. Again, do the same thing. Make yourself free. Do not make a mindset what brand you have to purchase. Do not make any mindset. Just be there and make yourself free. And one dress that wants you to buy, one dress that wants you to buy, it will call you, it will invite you, it will provoke you, and you buy that dress. But if you have made a mindset that this particular dress I have to buy, it will create a problem. Whenever you are going to take any big decision, complete isolation is important. When isolation is not an unromantic word. When I say isolation, I don't mean that isolation that you use in corona period. That is a disease. Isolation, I should use the good word. That good word we call solitude. Solitude. Solitude means spending time with ourselves and enjoying. Right, friends? So whenever, for example, I have told about the dresses. Same thing happens with the book also. Friends, I would like to tell you something quite important, that I am always a book lover. I always wanted to buy wonderful books. So the place where I was living, that place is Indore. In MP, there is a small city called Indore. And in Indore, there is a famous book stall. The name is Reader's Paradise. The title is Reader's Paradise. I always used to visit there, and I never made any mindset what to buy. I just used to move around. And one book used to call me. राइट. आपको आश्चर्य होगा, मैं बहुत दिन से मेरे मन में इच्छा थी, और मैं व्हाइट लोटस एक बड़ी फेमस बुक है ओशो की. मैं व्हाइट लोटस खरीदना चाहता था, और हमेशा सोच के जाता था कि व्हाइट लोटस ही खरीदूंगा. बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड. एज आई एंटर देयर, वन डिफरेंट बुक ऑलवेज कॉल्ड मी. और मैं व्हाइट लोटस कभी नहीं खरीद पाया, हमेशा वो दूसरी बुक खरीद लेता था. Or when I bought the another book, and when I was reading, I always realized that there was a purpose. That book was very important for me that particular span of time. ठीक है friends? So whenever you want to take either a small decision or big decision, or such an important decision your life depends on, you give time, you feel it. और सूफीज का एक बहुत फेमस कोट है, सूफीज का एक बहुत फेमस कोट है, ध्यान देंगे इस कोट पर। वो कोट है, डोंट डिसाइड एनीथिंग, डोंट डिसाइड एनीथिंग, लेट इट बी डिसाइडेड। लेट मी रिपीट इट, डोंट डिसाइड एनीथिंग, लेट इट बी डिसाइडेड। आप जब डिसाइड करेंगे तो यू विल यूज योर माइंड। माइंड का सिंपल मतलब होता है ओल्ड मेमोरीज, ओल्ड नॉलेज, old memories, old knowledge, old wisdom cannot solve the new problem. Old mind cannot give you the present decision, the right decision. Right decisions are fleshed out of existence, and for that purpose you have to be available, you have to be opened, so that the right decision will flash on you. Otherwise, in the whole life, maybe physically you are happy, maybe you have got the solace, but you will not have anything significant in your life. If you want your life to be meaningful, start living an opened life, exposed life, right? So that you will get the fresh, true decisions in your life. I hope you understood what I mean to say.